To add items to your wish list on Temu, start by opening the Temu website or mobile application. Once you are on the Temu platform, browse through the various categories and products to find the item you want to add to your wish list. You can use the search bar to quickly locate a specific product by typing its name or description. When you find the product, click on it to view its details page. On the product details page, you will see a button that says Add to Wishlist. Click on this button to add the product to your wish list if you are not logged into your Temu account. You may be prompted to sign in before you can add the product to your wish list. After adding the product to your wish list, you can view all the items in your wish list by clicking on the wishlist icon, usually located at the top right corner of the page. In your wish list, you can view the products you have added, and you also have the option to remove items, add them to your cart, or share your wish list with others. It is a good practice to regularly review and update your wish list to ensure it remains relevant and useful to you. By following these steps, you can easily add items to your wish list on Temu and keep track of the products you are interested in purchasing. Adding items to your wish list on Temu is a convenient way to save products for later and avoid missing out on great deals. It also helps you to keep your shopping organized and makes it easier to find the products you want when you are ready to make a purchase. By using your wish list effectively, you can enhance your shopping experience on Temu and make the most out of the platform's features.